Submerge. A truth revealed. For you see, Voltage decides to show his face after breaking out of prison. And he's out for vengeance. Frank is flying the helicopter over the Bering Sea. A crab boat is hailing a mayday call. Frank, Justin, and Zael are on their way to the scene. Frank sees the crab boat ahead. There's a giant hole in the hull. You guys need to see this. Justin and Zael look out and see blast marks. Voltage. We can't have him knowing who you are. Get out now before we get any closer. Zael nods. He jumps out of the helicopter into the water without a splash. We're going down, aren't we? Always with optimism. Their helicopter's right above the crab boat. Justin goes through the motions of setting up the crane to throw off any suspicion. He latches the cage, then the helicopter jerks to the right. The sky goes dark, full of gray clouds. Justin barely grabs on. He sees a lightning bolt fly past him. Voltage is standing on the boat's deck, laughing. This is who they send me? Coast Guards? They'll need a lot more help than that. He charges up a lightning bolt. He throws it. But Zael, as Submerge, jumps out of the water. He uses the water ball to absorb the lightning and throws it back at Voltage. Voltage crashes to the deck hard. He looks up and grins. That's more like it. He creates a lightning bow and arrows. He starts shooting them at Submerge. When he misses, he aims and fires at the helicopter. Submerge jumps and tries to absorb it, but is too powerful. It goes right through the water ball and hits the tail of the helicopter. Save the fishermen. Always putting people first. Just like him. Justin pats Frank's shoulder and jumps into the sea. Frank climbs out of the pilot's seat and jumps out after Justin. Submerge dives into the sea. He blasts another hole in the hull and climbs in. He sees the whole crew tied up. He unties them and tells them to hold their breath and hold on tight. He swims them back to land. Voltage grabs Justin by the throat and hovers him in the air.